Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sudoku like a pro. First, let's quickly review the fundamental rules. Your goal is to fill a 9x9 grid with digits from 1 to 9. The key is that each digit must appear exactly once in every row, every column, and every 3x3 subgrid. Mastering these basics is the essential first step to elevating your game and tackling more challenging puzzles with confidence. Now, let's dive into some foundational techniques. Begin by scanning the grid for numbers that can only fit in one specific cell within a row, column, or 3x3 block. This is often called cross-hatching. Look for single candidates where, after eliminating other possibilities, only one digit remains for a particular cell. These initial steps are crucial for building momentum and revealing more complex patterns. To truly play like a pro, you'll need advanced strategies. Discover hidden singles, where a number can only go in one cell within a row, column, or block, even if other candidates exist. Identify naked pairs or triples, where 2 or 3 numbers are the only candidates for 2 or 3 cells in a unit, allowing you to eliminate them elsewhere. These techniques significantly reduce the possibilities, paving the way for quicker solutions. Finally, consistent practice and a strong mindset are paramount. Challenge yourself with puzzles ranging from easy to expert difficulty to hone your skills. Cultivate patience. Sudoku is a game of logic, not speed. When you get stuck, take a short break and return with fresh eyes. Regularly reviewing your completed puzzles helps you identify patterns and refine your approach, transforming you into a true Sudoku master.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.